1917 Drummond B-type treadle lathe, set up with a milling slide to mill this bar flat. Yep, it's cutting quite easily. You can see the metal pouring off it, shavings. It's got upwards and downwards movement on it, and the XY in and out movement is here. You can see how easily it's knocking out the metal on this. Again, using the treadle, it's very, very easy to use machine to make highly accurate tools. Just get all the way across this bar, show you how it's actually done. Then you can look at the quality of the finish it's cut in it. Yeah. There you are, you can see the milling actually accomplished. While we're here with the lathe, with drummonds, to find out how old they are, you push this forward, and under here is where you'll find the serial number and date stamp. Right, is that done?